Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. You are on my YouTube nail channel and I'm your nail instructor. So, I'm glad to see you this morning, and this time I'm gonna show you not so easy but so attractive and beautiful shape of nail, square shape of nails and the nail design. As usual, I'm working with the sculpting mix gel. This gel helps me to apply very quick infill. All I need is to remove the old gel, not the old gel, not the old surface of gel, but cracks and liftings. And the sculpting mix gel helps me to create the new layer. I place it with not too thick layer. I'm trying to sculpt as accurately as I can. So this way I will never spend too much time for filing and shaping it. I'm using my favorite vintage gel brush. So sculpting mix gel and vintage gel brush you can order on shapeofnail.com with free shipping. After applying the layer of gel, we place hand in UV lamp or LED lamp, and we work with the other hand. After it has curved, we're working with the alloy steel drill bit, but you should remember you should remove the tacky layer before filing and shaping nails, because sculpting mix gel has thick layer. This layer helps it to stick better to the nail plate, and it has very good adhesion effect. Okay, and after we're filing nails using the barrel drill bit. This is the great tool for quickly filing the nail plate. And the cone drill bit helps to remove the gel in cuticles area, as you can see on the video. But you should be very careful with this product, with this tool, because it's very sharp, and you should keep it strongly with your hands. Okay guys, and the next step, we're filing, we're shaping nails with a file. Some nail technicians think that it's not needed to shape nails after sculpting them, but if you want to achieve the perfect square shaped nails, you should shape them like tubes to create the C-curve or arch. This arch makes these nails to be elegant and beautiful. You look on them and they look natural and ideal. So there are competitions, world competitions between nail technicians. They are trying to create the most ideal square shaped nails. So you should know that this is not easy to do such shape, but I think it's worthy of the such of the time we're spending on it. And of course you shouldn't forget to remove the natural nail from underneath of the nail plate and remove the dirt. Some nail technicians, for example my brother Andrew, he prefers to apply the top coat from underneath of the nail plate after shaping, like you can see on the video now. It protects the nail from the dirt, and it also makes nail to be stronger, protects from breaking. And when the preparing process is ready, we proceeding with the nail design. Today I'm gonna show you how to create amazing lily flower nail design, and especially on these nails I will be using gel paint from shapeofnail.com of the red color. We will combine nails which covered with the pure color of gel paint and the painting. I'm using thin brush number 0 to draw half moon line. As you can see, the gel paint is pigmented enough, so you can easily apply the French manicure or half moon or the patterns, nail design, anything else. And I'm using flat brush to cover the all surface of the free edge. What about technique that I use in my work? You know, as I told in previous videos, I like more airy, elegant nail designs, like one stroke technique, watercolor effect. It's much easier to draw than, for example, it's as for me, than for example drawing geometric nail designs, because you shouldn't be so much concentrated. You just move your hand with free motion, very easy. It helps me to be relaxed and have a good time drawing such compositions. Of course, for some nail technicians especially, they enjoy geometric lines, and they like that, but I think it takes more energy. You are getting tired faster, so it's not easy to create, for example, 5 or 6 such nail designs on all set of nails in one day. But as for me, I could draw maybe 100 compositions a day without any problems. It's very easy. And you know, I want to open the secret when we were working with my brother Andrew. He was removing the gel. We worked in the couple together. He was removing the gel, he prepared the nail plate, but I quickly applied the gel and draw one stroke flowers or any flowers, and we could make such sets 10 or more a day, and it was very easy for us to make such nail designs. And of course, detail lines are very easy too, because sometimes you just need to draw thin lines, sometimes you make some pressure. It's like playing with a brush. It's very easy, you know. You just need to train your hand. Maybe not after 1 week you will have good results, but very soon, guys, it will seem much easier for you. And of course, this composition will look amazing. Many women enjoy this nail design, enjoy such nails, and it's very good when your clients think that you are the best and they never compare you with other nail technicians. They know that, oh, Alexander, he creates amazing nail designs, and I will do my nails only in his nail studio. And this is great, you feel yourself great. So I just advise you guys to watch my online course, my DVD course, which is available on shapeofnail.com, and learn fundamental of this technique. And maybe if you feel that it's easy for your hand, it's easy for you, if you feel that it's good, you would continue train your hand and create such beautiful compositions, such beautiful nail designs. In this video I'm gonna show you just one thing. If you learn, for example, how to draw the scheme of one flower, you can create different nail designs. Just imagine, twist these flowers, combine with different colors, with different other techniques, and every nail design, each next nail design will be exclusive. What do you think about these nails? Please let me know down in the comments. I just spent only 5 minutes to draw such amazing flowers, only 5 minutes. And I'm gonna show you the next nail design in this video. The same flower, the same technique, but other shape of nails. And here we have drawn this composition on 2 nails, but in the next nail design we will be drawing lily flowers on every nail. Okay, let's take a look now how to draw it. And of course, guys, the paint you use should be maximum pigmented. For example, I'm using acrylic paint from shapeofnail.com. There are good quality acrylic paint with low prices, the set is low at $10, and it will be enough for 5 years for you of drawing these amazing nail designs. But don't forget to close the pot with this paint closer strongly, because this gel paint is drying on the air. Okay guys, and as you can see, I'm just drawing step by step. The back petal is darker, and the front petals, I'm brightening up them, and this way this flower looks natural. It creates 3D effect for this nail design. And of course, I like adding contrast, black lines, such deco elements creates amazing effect, and this nails attracts people around, they like it. And of course, it's better to train your hand on tips before drawing on your clients. What do you think about these nails? Please let me know down in the comments, and let me know, are you working now or not? What's the pandemic situation in your country now? Don't forget to click that like button. See you tomorrow. Bye.